Alrighty, boys and girls, time for the mystery letter. And of course, again, I'm going to start with a circle map. And I'm going to start with a large circle map. And then I'm going to start with a smaller one in the middle. That's where we're going to put our mystery letter. I used a paper that was folded, so it's okay. Okay, this was kind of difficult, boys and girls, because I really couldn't find too many things that I had around the house. But I'm going to try to show you a few things, but I think you guys you'll be able to figure it out. Guys have become so incredible. The letter ID and the sounds, and I love the work and stories you keep sending to me. Please, please, please keep sending them. I love to get those videos, and I love to see the pictures of all your learning going on. Okay, are we ready? All right, let's start with this. Okay, on a rainy day like this, you're gonna need something like this to keep your head and your clothing warm. And we mainly use it on days where there's a lot of rain. Umbrella. Oh, you're right. Umbrella. The second thing that I could think of is, you may have seen these, like sometimes in a parade, there might be a clown riding it, or I've seen it before at the circus. Those are probably the only two places I've seen it before. But you have something like this at home, but I'm sure yours at home is very different than this. Okay, now this one has one wheel, and it's called a unicycle. You have a bicycle, which usually means two, but this is a unicycle because it only has one wheel. Any ideas yet? Okay. Which way is my arrow pointing? It's pointing up. The next one is something that we all have. And I know you're going to start giggling because you're going to think it's funny, but hey, we all wear these things, and they are called underwear. And underwear can be a brief, or it could be your t-shirt, it could be your tank top, but we all wear underwear. Okay, the last thing is, well, actually I've got two more. Maybe I can do two more. Let's see. Here, if you can see my yellow, trying to make it look like it's an emoji, but look at the face. Look at the face that I'm going to draw. This person is upset. They're not happy about something. And one more thing that I'm sure all of us, and I do mean all of us, have at home is, well, you can't actually, it's a set of things. It's like three things together. One of them kind of looks like this. Oops. That could be your soup spoon. And then something you might use for your salad or for some other types of meat. And here's my handle. A spoon, a fork, and a knife. All together, these items are called utensils. Utensils. Ta-da! Did you guess what it was? Yes, folks, it is the letter U. Okay, so to make my uppercase U, I start at the top. Remember, all my letters start at the top. So I'm going to start at the top. At the top. I'm going to come straight down, around. I'm going to curve back up. Sometimes you see it like this, boys and girls, and sometimes you might see it like this, okay? So there's different ways. The lowercase u looks just like the uppercase U, but it's half its size. So I'm going to start here, which is still the top, but in the middle. I'm going to go down, around, back, up, and down. So it's actually a straight line, a curve here, and another straight line, okay? So sometimes you might see it like that, and sometimes you might just see it like this. Depends on the font. Remember, the font is kind of like when you type something on your computer, what the letters look like in different books. Okay, we ready to write some of our words? Let's get set. Let me get my two markers. Now we know that all of these start with U. So this is the word up. And that is a P. Up. The next word is actually made up of two words. And it's called, oh, I'm sorry. I'm thinking, okay, well then let's go to the underwear. Smoke is thinking way ahead of herself. Too fast sometimes. Here's my N. It's There's two letters making one sound. Underwear. Okay? At the top, what we need for rainy days is an umbrella. And then we have the U, unicycle. U, N, I, and this time the C makes a S sound. Psych. Here makes a K sound. You'll learn about all those rules soon enough, boys and girls. And here I am up. Sounds like the word up, which it is. Up, and then S-E-T, upset. And then I have my U, 10, E-N-S-I-L, utensils. So those were the U words. Now in my house, all I was able to find was the umbrella. I do have an umbrella. And of course I do have underwear. And the utensils. I really couldn't find anything else. But good luck on finding something in your house. And don't forget to share your circle map.